Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hi, welcome to Kissan Tiffin Timetable. I'm Shagun, and to solve your tiffin worries, some of India's most loved chefs have come together to give you 200 recipes for 200 school days. So today I'm going to show you how to make jam parathas. Now these are a sweet special treat because of the end of the school week, but they're packed with nutrition and lots of goodness. So let me show you how to make har din naya tiffin, har din empty tiffin. So let me show you how to make these yummy jam parathas. I will be adding some atta. So that's whole wheat flour, about 2 cups. So I've got chopped mixed nuts. And I also have flax seeds, which I've powdered in a blender. A pinch of salt. I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of olive oil and enough water to knead this. I'm going to mix this with a spoon to begin with. And I also need to add the special ingredient, which is the Kissan Mixed Fruit Jam. So this will add to the fruity aroma in this yummy paratha. In goes about 1.5 spoons of jam. So my dough is sweet and pink and yummy and healthy and ready to be rolled into little parathas. So I break a little bit. So my mom does this beautifully. Whenever she's rolling chapatis, it's like, you know, the dough moves on its own. It's actually magic. I don't know how she does that. I'm going to switch on the flame. The first thing I need to do is put them on the pan. Once you've flipped it on the other side is when you add a little bit of oil. So on the top, add some oil and flip it. There you go. I'm going to take it out in the plate. So now my tiffin box is ready to be plated. So in my tiffin box, it's also very important to put other nutritious and fresh things. So I've got scooped out watermelon. It's beautiful round. I mean, the shape itself will excite the children, you know. Some cashews. And it's time for me to put the parathas. I hope you enjoyed all the 5 recipes I made for you. If you did, do not forget to subscribe to India Food Network. Please share, please like, and I will be back one more time to show you how to make har din naya tiffin, har din empty tiffin.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.